I done sit up there and did a bun. I'm like, okay, I guess it looks alright. I think I like it. Y'all ever get tired of the same hairstyle and then you just be like, oh, I'm gonna just rock this out for a minute? I think it looks okay. The game is about to come on and I'm about to go cook some food. Okay? And that's what I'm about to do. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and make this video because I'm always cooking. Like, I'm never getting out of it. I always try. Like, I want to sometimes stop at food places to get food, but I'm always cooking. It never fails. But I guess this is what I'm wearing. Same little jeans that I always like wearing. And I have on this top that I haven't worn in like 2 years that I end up getting from Ross. Yes. Okay. Yes. That's one of my stores. I was debating, should I put my head wrap on? I think I will probably later on, just to keep my hair in place or whatever. But this has the best lighting. I don't know. I'm already in the restaurant. Like, I already said, it's like a spa to me or whatever. But yeah, I hope you're beautifully well today. I hope all is going your way. And yeah, you're getting everything that you want and everything that you need. Okay? That's what it is. And yeah. So I'm going to make sure that I put this on the clip. And if it's anything else to add to this vlog, of course I will. I want to go shopping, but I haven't been shopping. Like, we'll see what tomorrow brings. But if you're not subscribed to my fitness channel, make sure that you subscribe to that channel. And I have another channel too as well, where I'm just sharing my artistic side, okay, with no right way. You know, it's just me. Whatever I conceptualize and whatever comes to thought, I'm just transmuting it onto my sketch pad, and I'm not even really using an eraser to do so. But you know, so yeah, it just is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And ooh, yeah, gotta go. Okay, here's the chicken. It's cooking, you know what I'm saying, sizzling and everything. And yeah, I'm about to cook something else with it. So this thing right here is so amazing. Like, I can't even cap. Like, for real, it's bomb. Okay, this is the pressure cooker. I got some leftovers right here. This is the pressure cooker. I got some turkey pepperoni in there, and now I'm about to put in a cup. That's like a cup of large and small noodles. So I have some leftover spaghetti sauce. I'm gonna pour in a cup of water. Process, nasty or nah. I'm being so trusting right now. Let's see how it's gonna go. Hey, before we get out of here, I want to just ask you to go over there and subscribe to my fitness channel. It's Creativity Health and Fitness at Creativity Fitness if you want to work out. And go ahead and subscribe to my other channel if you're feeling a little artistic, you want to do some fun drawing. And yeah, so just go ahead and head over there to both of those channels, hit subscribe, and make sure you smash the like button. Turn on your post notifications. Yep, that about does it. Just enough, just enough. All right, beautiful people, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Come back and visit my channel again real soon. If there is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards, down in the description box, or it will show up at the end screen. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.